Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Swyft Filings LLC service. Review my usage experience. Swyft Filings LLC service. Review my usage experience offers online business formation and compliance services. Its main purpose is to help entrepreneurs and small business owners easily register their businesses and manage their ongoing compliance requirements. Key features likely include online filing, document preparation, and potentially compliance calendar reminders. Their website provides details on their specific offerings. Their website highlights the ease of use and the claim of significantly reducing the time and paperwork involved in the business formation process. They emphasize transparent pricing with no hidden fees and a straightforward, easy-to-understand process. They likely use a streamlined online interface and automated systems to handle the paperwork. Availability is nationwide, as business registration requirements are generally state-specific. You can check their website for specific service availability in your area. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Swyft Filings LLC service. Review my usage experience. I recently used their service to register my LLC in California. Getting started was incredibly easy. The website clearly guided me through the process step by step. The interface was intuitive and well organized, making it easy to input the necessary information. I particularly appreciated the way they pre-filled certain fields based on my initial inputs, saving me a lot of time. The entire process, from entering my details to receiving confirmation of filing, took less than an hour, far less time than I anticipated spending on paperwork. The turnaround time for the state to process my filing was also reasonably quick. I had a quick question about an amendment after the initial filing, and their support responded within 2 business days via email, providing a helpful and clear explanation. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was and the clear progress indicators at each stage. One minor drawback was that I couldn't easily save my progress and come back to it later. It required completing the entire process in one sitting. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Swyft Filings LLC. It significantly streamlined a process I was dreading and saved me considerable time and stress. That's my overview of Swyft Filings LLC service. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.